Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mendaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to turn off website notification by Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa Chrome web browser, so open lang natin yan. And then dito sa upper right side, click mo lang yung tatlong dot. And then kailangan mo nang select yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo nang select yung privacy and security. And then dito sa privacy and security, so scroll down tayo and select lang natin yung site settings. So dito sa site settings and then scroll down at select natin yung permissions. So dito sa permissions, under nito ay kailangan mo nang select yung notifications. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa notifications, dito lang sa default behavior ay may tatlong option dito. Okay, so pwede mong enable or turn on mo siya. Itong site can ask to send notification. Pwede rin use Twitter messaging and then don't allow sites to send notifications. Alright, so kailangan mo lang i-click tong turn off natin tong don't allow sites. Click mo lang yan. And then hindi na tayo makaka-receive ng any notifications so any website mga kaibigan. Alright, kung gusto mo naman itong i-turn on, so click mo lang tong site can ask to send notification. Alright, ganun lang po siya. And then dito naman sa customized behaviors, so pwede kang mag-add dito ng send notification or kung gusto mong i-allow yung isang website na mag-send ng notification, click mo lang tong add. And then ilagay mo lang dito yung kanyang website link. Alright, and then next naman, pwede ka naman dito maglagay ng don't allow ng send notification ng isang website. So click mo lang itong add. And then lagay mo lang dito yung kanyang website link and then click mo itong add. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-turn off ang website notifications by Google Chrome sa Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.